Hi YouTube, hope you guys are having a beautiful day today. So today I'm going to show you guys one of the special Eid biryani. So I've got my ingredients lined up here. I've got some tomatoes, green chilies, coriander, mint leaves chopped, and some onion. I've got curd, ginger and garlic, some yellow food coloring, chili powder, and some ghee, salt and water, some oil, and cinnamon, cardamom, and clove. Of course, not to forget, I've got 3 kilos of chicken, which goes with 3 kilos of basmati. Today is going to be a special day, and we are going to make a mouth-watering, delicious, fluffy basmati rice biryani. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll show you guys exactly how to cook. We put in the oil and the ginger garlic paste, the ghee, the cinnamon, cardamom, and the clove, and the oil, and we put in all the veggies, the coriander, mint, onion, tomatoes, and we are frying in everything well. And I'm going to put in my chili powder. As you can see, come close. I'm going to chuck in my chili powder. We are done with cooking the masala. The chicken is done, as you can see. The beautiful chicken masala is all good. This is going to go with the biryani. And also, as you can see, we are getting ready with the fire to boil the rice. We are going to boil the basmati rice, and we are not going to fully cook. We are going to half cook the basmati rice, and we are going to put it all in, and then we are going to dum it. So we are boiling the water, I've salted, seasoned with some salt and some coriander leaves, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and a drop of oil. The reason why you put a drop of oil is to make the rice not stick together, so it will make the rice very fluffy. So let's wait till the water gets boiled, and we are going to add the basmati rice, and then we are going to put it in the pot.
Karena kita kan udah tahan 3 tahun.